Yes, it is necessary because with the rise here, the concave disc is only travelling on this small bit here. But when you have the one without the rise on it, it rides on this area, and it's a much smoother operation. So this is why we removed the rise off this disc. Of course, all other Wagtail discs, they haven't got a rise, so you don't need to worry about that. But generally, this will make it work more smoothly. So we have the disc with the rise, just put in the rise here, and we'll start off with just using a wood rasp and just get the bulk of the rise off. I'll just spread it up a little bit here, and now we'll get a stone, a rotary stone, and we'll just smooth it over like this. I'm just putting it all up for you, and this is how it turns out, and that's how this is done.